out that what we're doing is wrong. Let's try to keep this here secret between me, you, and this song. Menage a trois that sings to me sinfully, and God plays along, plays along, plays along.
What you want, what the woman who won't do what she says.
I was sweet on her, she was sweet on Jesus. And we slept with a blanket barrier between us. Master of a craft that had her laughing like hyenas when I asked her if she'd marry an elitist. Staggering genius in lace with the grace of a drunken monk. The mask isn't seamless cause her face says something's up. But I don't dare ask her, I just listen. Switching to my good ear and adjusting my position. As she discussed Ginsberg, I listen and learn. As she disperses words, I just resisted the urge to do like he would, whatever he wanted. If she allowed me to, she dangled that carrot and then asked me, what would Bukowski do? Don't go there. He'd make you his mom and then completely lie about it in a book later on. Spirits were lifted when she whispered something French in my ear. Tension was there. When I responded in English, it sounded less sincere. The sex in the air couldn't be left